Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. This is our fourth video in a series of videos related to finding the solution to a system of two equations. And in this video, we're going to learn how to find that solution through the substitution method. The substitution method requires 4 steps, and I would like to go over them with you. Step 1, find the easiest variable to write in terms of the other. Step 2, next, substitute that expression into the other equation. Step 3, now we can solve for that single variable in the other equation. And then finally, in step 4, upon finding the value of the variable, plug it into the easiest equation to solve for the other variable. After solving for the other variable, write it as an ordered pair in terms of y and x. Now let's take a look at big example 1 to help us really understand how to apply the 4 basic steps to solving a system of two equations through substitution. And in this case, step 1, it says find the easiest variable to write in terms of the other. And in this case, we have x that is already isolated. It's already on the other side of the equal sign. And we could say that x is equivalent to 2y minus 4. And because the two are the same, we're just going to plug in 2y minus 4 in our second step. So we're going to plug in 2y minus 4 into the second equation where we see an x. And so in this case, instead of writing x plus 8y is equal to 16, we're going to write 2y minus 4 plus 8y is equal to 16 because 2y minus 4 is equivalent to x. And now we have just only y because now we can solve for just one variable. And in this case, that one variable is y. And so again, we have 2y minus 4 plus 8y is equal to 16. And in this case, we're going into step 3, in which we're going to solve for that single variable. And we're going to do that by combining the like terms, 8y plus 2y, which will give us 10y. 10y minus 4 will equal 16. Now, this is where we're going to find out what number is hiding behind y, because we are going to add 4 to both sides. And then when we do that, we will discover that 10y is equal to 20. All right, now the question is, what number times 10 will give me 20? We could divide both sides by 10, but if we could just kind of know the answer straight away, that would be more efficient because we know that 10 times 2 will give us 20, so y must equal 2. So now guess what? We have solved for one variable, and we're going to go into step 4, in which it says, upon finding the value of the variable, and we found y this time, we're going to plug it into the easiest equation to solve for the other variable. So we're going to use y to help us find what number is hiding behind x. And let's pick one of these equations right here. We could pick x is equal to 2y minus 4. We could pick x plus 8y is equal to 16. Whichever one is easiest for you, it's up to you to find out which one is easiest for you to work out. And so I chose the top variable. And so what I did is I just said x is equal to 2 times 2 because y is equal to 2. So we're going to plug in 2 wherever y is. 2 times 2 minus 4. And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we know that x is equal to 0. So we have our ordered pair. We have our solution in which x is 0 and y is 2. And here's our ordered pair because now that last part of the last step is to write it as an ordered pair. And that is the solution, 0, comma, 2. Yeah, I received a lot of information, and it is understandable that it takes time to digest. And so why don't you just pause the video and give it a once-over, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the substitution method. But in the meantime, you can always comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.